Hi, first grade. We're going to continue our practice with our read, draw, and write for our word problems. So let's begin. Read, draw, write in the corner. Janet read 8 books during the week. She read more books on the weekend. She read 12 books total. How many books did Janet read on the weekend? So I have drawn 12 books for total, and they are in the Draw 5 method. So the next thing is to circle 8, right? And look at how it's labeled week and weekend. Do you see these numbers here that didn't get circled? That would be my weekend numbers. Now I have to write my word problem. 8 plus some number equals 12. But if you think it is easier to think of it as a subtraction problem, that is okay. And we could write 12 minus 8 equals that same number. Because remember, these two problems are related. Then my sentence would be Janet read some number of books on the weekend. Let's find out how many books she read. How many are not circled? 1, 2, 3, 4. Janet read 4 books on the weekend. Let's try another one. Eric scored 13 goals. Let's change that. This season, he scored 5 goals before the playoffs. How many did Eric score during the playoffs? So here is 13 squares, and it's labeled regular season and playoff. Remember, he scored 5 goals before the playoffs. That would be the regular season. So I circle 5. My leftover will be my answer. So now I have to write my problem. 5 plus some number equals 13. Or if you prefer, 13 minus 5 equals that same number. My sentence is Eric scored some number of goals during the playoffs. Let's find out that answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 8 equals 13, or 13 minus 5 equals 8. Now let's try one last problem. There are 8 ladybugs on a branch. Some more come. Then there were 15 ladybugs on the branch. How many ladybugs came? So 15 have been drawn, and it's labeled first and came. So we know we have to circle our first, which was 8. Right there. So here's my problem. 8 plus some number equals 15. Or if you prefer, 15 minus 8 equals that same number. Blank ladybugs came is my statement. Let's count and find out how many ladybugs came. 5, 6, 7. 8 plus 7 equals 15, or if you prefer, 15 minus 8 equals 7. 7 ladybugs came. Thank you for using the read, draw, write method with me today. Have a good day.